Hello guys, I'm back and I'm going to be showing you guys I did a break a little while ago. I did a Gypsy Queen Mega Box break and an Archives baseball break. So I'm going to be showing you guys what I got, and I got some pretty nice hits, not going to lie. So hopefully you guys can enjoy this, and yep. So first I'm going to be opening an Archives blaster box. Let's get ripping. If you're interested in getting any on our card breaks on Facebook, make sure you guys can hop on. It's Ultimate Card Breaks on Facebook. We'll actually have one this Thursday during the halftime of the Chiefs game. It's football. We're doing a hobby box of Panini Contenders, and let's see, we're doing Panini Certified. So first we have Andrelton Simmons, Michael Chavis, Wilson Contreras, Trevor Bauer, Tim Anderson, Gavin Lux rookie. It's a nice one. Mo Vaughn, and Mike Clevenger. That's it for our first pack. If this YouTube page continues to grow, we could do some live breaks on here. If this continues to grow. Make sure if you guys are here, share it with all your friends and help us grow. Matt Olson, Orlando Cepeda, Paul DeYoung, Francisco Lindor. Ooh, we have that's Shohei Ohtani. Just looking at the wrong one. Oh, that's a Tony Gonsolin short print rookie. It's a cool one. Trevor Story and Dwansby Swanson. This pack was a little bit sticky. Honus Wagner, Juan Gonzalez, Luis Arpecio, Robin Yount, AJ Puck rookie. Ooh, Bichette and Vladimir Guerrero. That's a cool card. Nelson Cruz and Dave Winfield. Michael Baez, Nico Horner rookie, Trevor Hoffman, Brock Burke, Charlie Blackmon. It's a Gold Cup Yordan Alvarez. It's a cool card. Sandy Alcatron, Ted Williams. 3PX left. Hopefully we can get some good cards here. If you guys have any tips for me, you can tell me in the comments. Harrison Bader, Garrett Cole, Eugenio Suarez, Keston Hiura, Will Smith, Mr. Sunshine, Ernie Banks. It's a cool card. Did you see that again? Cal Ripken Jr. and Ty Cobb. Kevin Biggio, Aroldis Chapman, Jorge Polanco, Jackie Robinson, Raymond Lunard, Sam Hillard, William McCovey, and Hyun Jin Ryu. This is the last pack. Hopefully we can get some good cards in this one. Lourdes Gurriel Jr., Yadier Molina, Broussard, rookie card, Mike Mussina, Harmon Killebrew, Jeff Bagwell, Red Sox pack bags for Houston, Corey Kluber, and Gleyber Torres. So that's it for our Archives box. I'll review all our hits for that box. Alright. Well, I guess, no, let's just hurry up and let's get the good box in. If you guys see any cards that you would like to have, we sell cards on eBay too. So I'll tell you all that information later. Odd package. Here's the empty box. If I get like any good cards you guys really want, we might sell it on eBay. So maybe you can get maybe you're interested in buying cards from us. Gypsy Queen. This is our bonus pack. I'll start with it first. Rookie. Who is this? Robert Duggar. Mookie Betts, Mike Trout, silver on this card. Michael Lorenzen, rookie card select, and Javier Baez. Got tons of cards coming their way. Tim Anderson, Willie Castro, Sam Hilliard, rookie, Dustin May, rookie, James Paxton, and Brandon Belt. Got another silver pack didn't get to see. There's this Brandon Belt, Mike Soroka, Ronald Acuna Jr., Dow, Matt Chapman, and Matt Scherzer. Some players I don't know, I can't even tell because it's only their last name on the card. And tell me if you guys have problems with that. Paul DeYoung. I don't know this guy's Altuve. Andres Munoz. You have a Yordan Alvarez rookie card. Look at that. It's a nice card. I'll let you guys see that. Mike Soroka and Ranger Aviela rookie card. You guys can also comment down what your favorite team in Major League Baseball is. And share this YouTube channel with all your friends so we can get more people in here to watch this. Support us all. Evan Longoria, Morjon rookie card. Shed Long. That's Luis Servino. Oh, it's numbered. It's a nice card. It's 104 out of 150. Just the bag. It's a blue parallel. Luis Servino. Should you guys see that card? Calhoun. And I'm pretty sure we have Jake Fraley rookie card. First card is Marcino Dubon. Oh, that's Dansby Swanson. Never mind. Junior Fernandez. Matt Thaiss rookie card. JT Realmuto. Alberto Mondesi. Rookie card of Marcino Dubon. Hope you guys are enjoying this. And make sure to hit that subscribe button to support us. Dylan Cease, rookie. Christian Vasquez. Anthony Rizzo. Anthony Rendon. Reese Hoskins. Is it Chrome? That looks like it. McThon. That's Ryan McThon. Got a couple packs left. Hopefully you can get an auto. We already had a couple hits. There's some nice cards. I'm excited for the future if this page glows up. Dom Nuiz, rookie card. Nick Senzel. Pretty sure, yeah. Austin Nola, rookie card. Andrelton Simmons. Dwight Smith Jr. And Eduardo. What was this? 4 packs left. Let's get some good luck here. Brusur Gratterall, rookie card. Jorge Soler. Kirby 8. Yep. Domingo Leyba, rookie card. Justin Turner. And Harold Ramirez. If this, like I said, if this page goes up, we start doing live streams. We might let you guys buy into something. We'll do breaks on YouTube too, like on Facebook. Francisco Lindor, Pete Alonso, Kevin Biggio, rookie card. King Griffey Jr. That's a cool thing. Max Kepler and Sean Murphy. Come on, let's get some good luck here, Gypsy Queen. Sandy Alcantara. That's Ron Odor. Tyler Grandsnow. King of Swords, Chris Bryant. That's a cool card. Not numbered, but still pretty cool. Steven Strasburg and Mitch Garver. Last pack of luck here. Hopefully get something good. Aaron Savell, Matt Chapman, Max Scherzer, Strength, Chris Yelich. That's another cool card. I like those cards. JD Martinez and Luis Robert rookie card for our last card of the break. That's the back. So if you guys are watching this right now, thanks for watching. Turn this camera around for you guys. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you guys can go check out our Facebook page at Ultimate Card Breaks, where we do breaks of hobby boxes, you name it, basketball, football, or baseball. Same here. If you guys support us a ton, we could start doing lives, doing online card breaks you guys can possibly buy into. We'll figure it all out if this goes up. So if you guys are watching us, thank you for supporting us, and make sure to hit the subscribe and like button. See you guys later. And this is Ultimate Card Breaks, where we're breaking cards and having fun.